how to log in or sign in Trust Wallet account online. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your Trust Wallet account online. Trust Wallet is a popular decentralized wallet that allows you to store your crypto securely, but logging in is different from other apps. So let's get started and I'll show you how to access your wallet. First, you need to simply open your web browser and search for Trust Wallet sign up, or if you already have one, you can simply download and install Trust Wallet app also and simply open it. Now here you'll be greeted with the sign up piece. Now what you need to do is simply enter your username and simply enter email address and create a password. After that, what you need to do is simply tap on create your account. Once you do that, you may need to set up your PIN or biometric authentication. Then you'll be simply able to create your account. Now if you're trying to log into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on login. Here what you need to do is simply enter your email address or username and create your and simply enter your password and simply click on login, and that's it. You've successfully logged into your Trust Wallet account.